Today, we're diving into a hands-on review of the Thermal Master NV300 Max, an onboard thermal imaging dash cam that promises to transform your nighttime driving experience. Whether you love to cruise after dark or simply want an edge in low-light conditions, this device could be your new best friend, though, as you'll see, it has some mixed results. The NV300 Max is a simple, yet clever design that attaches to your vehicle either on the hood or the roof. It's a bulbous little gadget with a large thermal lens that detects heat signatures in the environment around you. After participating in a highly successful crowdfunding campaign, Thermal Master has now made this innovative technology accessible for everyday drivers, offering it for around $500. But is it all it's cracked up to be? First off, the setup is pretty straightforward, but not without challenges. There's a mess of wires that need to be routed from the camera to a power source, typically a car's 12V outlet. Thermal Master even includes some adhesive mounts to keep the cables secure and prevent them from flailing in the wind at high speeds. The actual camera mount features a magnet for easy installation, but we found that using the included 3M adhesive was a more reliable option, especially for faster driving. Once installed, we were impressed by how well the camera worked, particularly in low-light conditions. The NV300 Max can pick up objects and sources that are barely visible to the naked eye, giving you a true advantage on dark, country roads. Its Fusion display option merges thermal and visible light for a better view, and you get audible alerts when a heat source is detected. The downside? The camera struggles in foggy conditions, offering minimal visibility, and we noticed a slight delay when the device calibrates, which can be distracting. While the camera works well for identifying heat signatures at around 150 yards, it falls short of the promised 300-yard range. It's not a deal-breaker for most, but it is a little disappointing. Also, the mounting system could use some work. The magnetic mount doesn't hold the display securely enough, and we had to improvise to keep it from sliding off the dashboard during sharp turns. So, is it worth $500? The NV300 Max is a solid product, but it's clear that Thermal Master still has room for improvement. If you're looking for a budget-friendly thermal imaging dash cam, this could be a good start, but don't expect perfection just yet.